So what is the best way to do this? Okay, quick warning lang. Don't move the pawn immediately. Pagka minove nyo po yung pawn, tabla na. Kailangan po ang king ang mauna. Siyempre, paliwanag natin yan. Bakit kailangan king ang mauna at hindi pawn? Meron pong malaking difference. Dahil king, dahil pawn, hindi po. Ang pawn ay merong malinaw na weakness. Ano yun? In front of the pawn, we'll find what we call the blockading square. And a blockading square is your opponent's dream. Kasi pag may blockading square, kaya pong tumabla ng king. Pero kapag ang nauna ay yung king nyo, ano pong difference? Wala pong weakness dahil nahaharangan niya yung harap. Pero syempre, papasok dito yung pangalawang question. Coach, ina-apply ng black king ng tama yung opposition. Paano yan? Anong gagawin namin pagka ganyan? Meron pong pawn. So, ito yung pangalawa sa mga bagay na nane-neglect ng mga players. Number 1 is yung king. Number 2 is yung usapin ng tempo. Tempo is the basic unit of moves sa chess. Pag ang pinag-usapan natin ay yung pag-gain ng time. Yung turn. Okay? Yung ikaw na kasi yung mag-move. Paano mo ba ginagastos yung iyong opportunity to create some changes? Okay po? So, tempo. So, king at tempo yung mostly ay pag-uusapan po natin today. Meron pang pangatlo pero mamaya ako na siya babanggitin. Okay. So, eto po yung pinakamadali para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Kunin nyo na kagad yung center kahit na alam niya pa yung duel of kings. Okay, what is the reason? You have an extra pawn, so once you play it, it will be as if you just played king to f4 at yung king na ng kalaban ang gagalaw. Okay, the opponent's king can move backward or sidewards, but no matter what the situation is, what the response is, naalala nyo yung practice natin kanina, our king will always seize the weakened side. So in this case, eto po yung nag-weak kasi sa kabila pumunta yung king. But fair warning lang po, don't get too excited with your pawn. You still have to calculate even though you already have the knowledge about your king. Why? If you play the pawn right now, it will end in a draw. Sige nga, sample. Matatapatan. Matatapatan. At kapag pumunta ka sa likod o sa gilid ng pawn, lalong tatabla. Excuse me. Kasi, yung blockading square, mapapakinabangan na po. Ayan. So, kayang-kaya na siyang pakinabangan ng black king, kaya po nagkakaroon pa dito ng draw. Pero syempre, ang habol natin ay panalo. Puntahan na natin ito. Nasaan yung problem? Ang problem kanina, minove yung pawn. So, ano pala yung dapat natandaan? Before even trying to move this pawn, make sure you are 2 lines away from the pawn. Oh, halimbawa po ito. Gumilid na naman. Ayan, 2 lines away ka na. So, dyan pa lang yan, safe na igalaw. Your opponent might try to attack the pawn, but no harm will come kasi po sakto. Pag bumalik siya, okay, yung iba sa inyo, hala, teka, puntahan natin. Wag, babalik-balik lang kayo. Sayang na naman yung tempo. Just push the pawn. Bakit? Eh di makakailalim na naman yung king. Don't worry because you have already studied opposition. Ayan, tinapat mo yung kahon or nag-set ka ng odd number or in-apply mo yung parehas, aalis siya, makukuha nyo yung weekend side, maalalayan nyo yung pawn, and that is forced promotion. Wag lang kayo mag-promote ng minor piece, panalo na yan. So, ulitin natin yung procedure. Don't make things complicated. Just get just get the line in front of your pawn and then make use of the tempo and then apply your knowledge about the opposition or duel of kings. Para nga pala dito sa kung sakaling meron tayong kasama dito na mukhang hindi ka pa sigurado sa yung duel of kings, kung meron kang mga teammates dito or kasama dito, kaibigan dito na marunong na, tingin ko makakatulong din na lumapit ka sa kanila para i-practice nyo to. So, same thing with our attendees here or who have already mastered this opposition. Please try to guide and assist your teammates if you think they are still confused about this idea. Kailangan nila ito. At kung halimbawang mag-isa lang kayong pumunta dito sa link ngayon, wala kayong kasama, okay, mag-chat na lang kayo sa akin. Tutulungan ko kayo, mag-lichess tayo, mag-study room tayo, walang problema. I will try to assist you pagdating dito sa opposition. Okay, puntahan na natin to ulit. So, combining your knowledge with the king and of course calculation to recheck everything, it will just be easy to win such endgames. So, ayan na po. Hindi na yan mapipigil at mananalo na.